Hello everyone, welcome to my video. So today I'm gonna show you my color picker box. So in the square box, the color will change depending to the selected color. So I'm gonna show you how it works. So this is the default color, and I'm gonna change it to this. So that changes, and it has a gray solid background color, and the text is white, and there will be a text here that will show according to this color, which is a hexadecimal. So let me show you my code. So in the code, in here, in the import React, it the React is needed to create components, which is the the components of the whole app. And the use state is to allow add data that can be changed, and the default is the function to the whole app, which is this line until to this line. And and it has the main components, it since it was exported from this file, and the cons color. So the use state of this, this initialize the default color for the application, since it's blue hexadecimal. This is the hexadecimal color, and the set color is the color that will appear to the component and will re-render. So in the main, so this is the style. It uses a div to this line. So in the style there is min height, so that's the make the div at least tall as like the view height. The display, it's 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 changes to, it is arranged to flex, so it it goes vertically, uh, the flex direction, so that is justify content to make it center. And same goes for the align items and the font. So in this style, it has background color, the background color to set to gray, and the color, it this changes to white. The padding, it it adds space inside of the background color. In the margin and the text align, make it center inside the box, and the display, makes the back width for the content, which is this inline block. So in the color picker box, it has a type color, so that renders the picker control and the value for the input value of the color, which you can select, and the on change is the target value for that color in order to change. So in the style, this makes the width and the height larger, and the color box, it has a margin top. So this is the background color. So whenever the user select blue, it will show blue, since this will display. The display, it will is flex, so that justify to center this, and in the margin top, so this shows the hex value for the for the current background color, which is this, the selected and the show display, and this will display according to that color. And the end of the code, which closes with the div. So so I think that's all inside the code, and I hope you guys like my video, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.